Hey friends, it's Dave here at Quality Cars of Oregon. Hey, today I'm bringing you a 2018 Ford F-150 Raptor. Let's check this one owner out. Check out this beautiful one owner F-150 Raptor. It's the rare lead foot gray color. This is a beautiful truck. Brand new Fox suspension on this truck. Again, this is a one owner vehicle. It's cranking out 450 horsepower, 510 pounds of torque. It's just a gorgeous truck, and this one is affordable. $39,995 at Quality Cars of Oregon. We're located at 2440 McGilchrist Street, Southeast Salem. You can find this at qualitycarsoforegon.com, or just give me a call at 503-428-9364. Thanks for watching.